How to fix app login loop problem on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If an Android app keeps sending you back to the login screen every time after entering the correct details, you're facing a login loop issue. Let's fix it step by step. First thing is to clear app cache and data. For that, go to Settings, find App section down below. Now go over to the particular app where you're being thrown to the login screen. So let me just quickly tap on Binance, for example. I can head over here and tap on storage down below. Tap on clear cache. And if you want, you can also tap on clear data on the left hand side. Tap on it. Tap on delete. You'll be logged out one more time. And the next step is to check your date and time settings. For that, go to General Management and then tap on Date and Time. Set date and time to automatic because incorrect times can break the login token verification. So make sure that you turn on this automatic date and time. Once that is done, you also need to disable VPN or any private DNS and app blockers. Go to Connections, More Privacy Settings, and find more connection settings down below. Once that is done, make sure you've turned off both your VPN as well as your proxy as well. Once that is done, you need to give your phone a quick restart and you should be good to go. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.